Welcome to the future of innovation and craftsmanship in the heart of Nairobi, Kenya. We are thrilled to introduce you to the brand new LATICRETE Experience Center, a groundbreaking hub that redefines the way we envision and create spaces.
LATICRETE International was founded in 1956 by Henry M. Rothberg, a chemical engineer. He invented the industry's first tile adhesive, and later, during the last 67 years, the company has developed a complete system of ceramic tile and stone installation systems. With any new innovation, it is important that professionals and consumers are educated and trained on the know-how, the usage, and the benefits of the technology. LATICRETE has been at the forefront over the last 67 years in imparting training and education for the betterment of the industry in terms of making the buildings and the construction long-lasting, stronger, durable, and sustainable.
Nairobi, a city known for its vibrant culture, diversity, and dynamic growth, now boasts a cutting-edge destination for builders, architects, designers, and homeowners alike.
In the ever-evolving world of construction and tile installation, the significance of proper training cannot be overstated. That's why LATICRETE has taken a pioneering step by establishing the LATICRETE Academy within our training center right here in the heart of Nairobi. Trusted for life being one of our brand promises, our training programs at the LATICRETE Training Center are carefully crafted to empower individuals with the latest industry trends, comprehensive product knowledge, and advanced installation technique. Whether you are a seasoned professional with years of experience or someone just embarking on their journey in the field, our center is dedicated to providing a supportive and immersive learning experience.
The LATICRETE Experience Center is not just a showroom. It's an immersive journey into the world of construction and design. As you step through our doors, you'll immediately sense the innovation and creativity that drive us. The modern LATICRETE Experience Center sets the tone for what lies within. Inside, you'll find a world of possibilities. Immerse yourself in the latest trends in tile, stone, and construction materials.
We have done these trainings through LATICRETE Experience Centers, which are part of the LATICRETE University. Today, the two key cornerstones of LATICRETE growth across the world and its success has been its cutting-edge R&D as well as the training and education. With our commitment towards Africa, the continent, LATICRETE has invested in setting up its first of its kind in the industry, an experience center in Nairobi, which will benefit all our industry professionals, architects, contractors, engineers, installers, and team members.
Our hands-on approach to training will help you envision the perfect space for your project. For contractors and builders, the LATICRETE Experience Center is your resource for top-quality products and solutions. Our training and demonstration areas provide hands-on learning opportunities, ensuring you're equipped with the latest techniques and technologies. And for homeowners embarking on renovation projects, our experts are here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're redesigning your kitchen, bathroom, or outdoor space, you'll find inspiration and expert advice at every turn.
Since I joined LATICRETE, they have equipped me with knowledge and more understanding of how to do tiling and tiling adhesive. And also not approving they have a good product that I've never thought about it, because for their competitors outside there, they have so many products, but for LATICRETE I found it's good, and actually when you consider the terms of rating, it's also perfect. The functionality, it's perfect. Actually, everything about LATICRETE, it's actually amazing.
The LATICRETE Experience Center is more than just a place, it's a community. A place where creativity meets expertise, where ideas turn into reality, and where partnerships are forged. We're here to empower your vision and elevate your projects to new heights.
I have tasted the products produced by LATICRETE and realized that most of them worked, or all of them worked perfectly. And my encouragement to my fellow construction engineers is to consult with them. They can find more about them and they can learn more about construction and in terms of waterproofing and finishes.
I wish all the industry friends a happy learning journey, the best wishes for them to benefit from the LATICRETE Experience Center.
Join us in this exciting journey of exploration and innovation. Come and experience the future of construction and design right here at the LATICRETE Experience Center in Nairobi, Kenya. Visit us today and let's build the future together. The LATICRETE Experience Center, where dreams take shape and spaces come to life.